Manufacturing is woven into the fabric of the American economy. Founded in 1972 and headquartered in Burleson, Texas, KWS Manufacturing Company designs and manufactures conveying equipment for the bulk material handling industry. Working closely with its customers, KWS provides unique, custom solutions with a strong focus on high quality and quick lead times. We're proud to provide the tools and training for long-term success in every area of our business, offering our employees the opportunity to learn multiple skills such as welding, machining, and metalworking. KWS is committed to helping America continue to be the world leader in manufacturing. Regardless of your gender, background, or past experience, an opportunity at KWS provides an outstanding balance of learning while earning a great living in the trades. Let us help you kickstart your future today. Learn more about KWS Manufacturing, custom engineered solutions. For more information, go to kwsmfg.com or call 800-543-6558.